Hello my dear students, I am Briz Bihari, your English teacher. In this video, we will study direct and indirect speech. Here, a sentence is given. Ram said, I go to school. This sentence is in direct speech. So, before initiating, we should know what is direct speech. When we report the speech of speaker by reporting the actual words of the speaker, it is called direct speech. And when we report the speech of the speaker in our own words, then it is called indirect speech. Here, Ram said is reporting speech, and I go to school is reported speech. We keep reported speech in double inverted comma. Here Ram is reporter or speaker and said is reporting verb. So we can say that Ram said is the reporting speech and I go to school is reported speech. While converting direct speech into indirect speech, firstly we remove the comma and double inverted comma and put their word that. So what will be the answer or indirect speech of the sentence? That will be Ram said that he went to school. Given below are some rules for converting direct speech into indirect speech. If the reported speech is in present indefinite, then we convert it into past indefinite. If the reported speech is in present continuous, then we convert it into past continuous. If the reported speech is in present perfect, then we convert it into past perfect. If the reported speech is in present perfect continuous tense, then we convert it into past perfect continuous tense. If the reported speech is in past indefinite, then we convert the reported speech or the indirect speech in past perfect tense. If the reported speech is in past continuous tense, then we convert it into past perfect tense, continuous tense. And if the reported speech is in past perfect tense, then there will be no change in the reported speech. And if the reported speech is in past perfect continuous tense, then there will also be no change. Change in pronouns. If there is a first person pronoun in the reported speech, that means there is I and we. So it changes according to the subject of the reporting speech. The pronoun I and we changes according to the subject of the reporting speech. And if there is a second person pronoun, that means you, that changes according to the object of the reporting speech. If there is third person pronoun, that means he, she, they, etc., or the name of any person, then there will be no change. One more thing, if the reporting verb is say, says, will say, or said, then there will be no change in it. Here, say to changes into tell, say to changes into tells, said to changes into told. If the reporting speech is in present or future, then there will be no change in the verb of the reported speech. But you should consider one thing, there will be change in the pronoun of the reported speech. One more change is there, change in adjective, adverb or time. If there is a word, there is an adjective or adverb or time in the reported speech, that changes similarly. This changes to that, this day changes to that day, these changes to those, these days changes to those days, here changes to there, now changes to then, today changes to that day, yesterday changes to the day before, tomorrow changes to the day, the following day, last night changes to the night before, last year changes to the year before, next year changes to the following year, tonight changes to the night, that night, ago changes to the before or earlier. We will look at the examples. It will clear your doubts more easily. Here a sentence is given that is in present indefinite tense. He said, I want to go now. According to the rule, it changes to past indefinite. Present indefinite changes I want to go now. This reported speech is in present indefinite tense, and we will convert it into past indefinite tense. So what will be our answer? He said that. We will remove the comma and double inverted comma and put there a that. He wanted to go then. I want to go now will convert into past indefinite and it will become he. So here a word I is there, that is the pronoun, first person pronoun, singular pronoun, and it will, according to the rule, we know that it changes according to the subject of the reporting speech. Here the subject is that, a subject is he, and I changes according to he. So our answer will be he said that he wanted to go, and here now we have seen that now changes to then. So our answer will be then. So he said that he wanted to go then. Come to the next, present continuous. It changes to past continuous. Here example is there. She said, I am going today. Our reported speech is in past continuous tense. I am going today. So what will be our answer? She said, we will remove comma and put their word that, and see I convert, I changes according to the subject of the reporting speech. So what is the subject of the reporting speech? C. So I changes according to C. C, and what is the sentence? I am going today. So what will be our answer? She said that she was going that day. I am going today is in past continuous tense, and we present continuous tense, and we know that it changes to past continuous. So I am going today, it will convert into she was going, and today changes to that day. Come to the next, that is third, present perfect. It changes to past perfect. Here example is given. My father said, I have come. My father. So what will my father said? I have come. Here in reported speech, a pronoun is there I, and have come. It is in present perfect tense. So my father said. We will remove the comma, and similarly we will put there a word that he had come. The sentence I have come will convert, we will change it into past perfect. Here I changes according to the subject, and subject is there my father. My father, according to my father, here we will put a word he had come. It will be our answer. Then come to the next, present perfect. It changes to past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense. It changes to past perfect continuous tense. Here example is given. They said, we have been walking since morning. Here the reported speech is, we have been walking since morning. So what will be the answer? They said that. We will put the word that and remove the comma and inverted comma. Here we is the pronoun. I, we, first person plural pronoun we. We changes according to the subject of the reporting speech, that is they. So we will changes to they. Have been changes to had been, walking since morning. Here past indefinite tense it changes to past perfect tense. Here example is there. My mother said, I went to Delhi. I went to Delhi. It is in past indefinite tense. So what will be the answer? My mother said that I is a pronoun, first person singular pronoun. It will change according to the subject of the reporting speech, that is my mother. So I will change into she went to Delhi. is past indefinite, it changes to past perfect, had gone to Delhi will be our answer. Again, come to the next, past continuous, it changes to past perfect continuous tense. Here example is given, they said we were coming. We were coming, it is reported speech and it is in past continuous tense. So what will be the answer? They said that, we will remove the comma and double inverted comma and put a word there, that. They said that. Here we is a pronoun, that is first person plural pronoun. It will change according to the subject of the reporting speech, that is they. So our answer will be, they said that they had been coming. Dear students, the remaining part we will cover in the next video. Thank you.